Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're taking an incredibly exciting journey into the lucrative, foundational, and frankly, absolutely fascinating world of computer science engineering. Have you ever caught yourself wondering exactly what goes on behind the screens of your favorite apps? Or maybe how artificial intelligence is practically reshaping our reality right before our eyes? Well, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're going to completely decode the blueprint of this incredible engineering field.
Here is the roadmap for our explainer today. We'll start with exactly what computer science is, walk through the 4-year academic journey, open up your essential CSE toolkit, dive into those top career paths and massive salaries, and finally look at the unstoppable future of the field.
Section 1. What is computer science? Building the digital world.
To put it simply, computer science engineering is the invisible architecture of our daily lives. And trust me, it's a whole lot more than just doing complex math on a whiteboard. It's the dynamic field where engineers literally build the software, the websites, the mobile apps, the video games, and all the underlying technologies that keep our modern digital world spinning. This spans across some truly vast domains. We're talking everything from artificial intelligence and data science, right through to cybersecurity, cloud computing, and computer networks.
Section 2. The 4-year academic journey, a step-by-step progression.
Let's look at how this actually builds. Think of your first year as learning the alphabet. You're tackling engineering mathematics, physics, chemistry, and basic programming like C and Python. It's really all about learning how to think logically. Then, in the second year, you start forming sentences. Things get highly specialized with data structures, object-oriented programming, and database management systems. By the third year, you're writing full paragraphs. You're diving deep into operating systems, computer networks, and web development. Finally, your fourth year is where you write the novel. You focus on the absolute cutting-edge stuff: AI, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and big data, which all culminates in a massive final year project. It's a complete ground-up evolution from a total novice to a specialized technical expert.
Section 3, your essential CSE toolkit, languages and skills.
Now, you obviously can't build software without programming languages, and these right here are your absolute crucial building blocks. C and C++ are fantastic for understanding the gritty core of how computers actually operate. Java remains an absolute powerhouse for large-scale enterprise software. Python is totally the reigning king of AI and data science right now. JavaScript is what makes the modern web feel alive and interactive, and SQL is exactly how you talk to massive databases. Mastering this specific toolkit gives you incredible, almost unfair versatility across practically every tech sector imaginable.
But here's a massive reality check. Coding alone just isn't enough. While technical abilities like writing code and developing projects are your foundation, your soft skills, things like teamwork, logical thinking, problem solving, and solid English communication are your ultimate career multipliers. Let's bust a myth right now. In the real world, you are rarely coding in a dark room all by yourself. You are actively solving complex problems with a dynamic team of professionals. So, developing your communication and logical thinking skills is just as vital to becoming a successful engineer as writing flawless, bug-free code.
Section 4. Top career paths and salaries. The payoff.
Now, what's really going to catch your attention is the payoff, because the financial ceilings in this field are absolutely staggering. While a standard software engineer fresh out of college can expect somewhere between 4 to 10 lakhs per annum, or LPA, scaling up to 40 plus with experience, you really need to look at the highly specialized fields. An AI and machine learning engineer can start between 8 and 15 LPA. And as they gain experience, that jumps to a massive 20 to 60 plus LPA. Data scientists and cloud engineers see similarly huge growth. The golden rule here is simple. The more specialized your toolkit, the higher the financial reward.
But hey, if AI isn't your passion, no worries. Web developers are the ones creating the sites and web apps we practically live on daily, peaking around 25 LPA with experience. Or maybe you want to build the next viral iOS or Android app. Mobile app developers can scale up to 30 plus LPA. And for those who love the behind-the-scenes infrastructure, DevOps engineers, the masterminds who automate software deployment and keep the digital pipelines flowing without a hitch, can see their experience salaries climb to 35 plus LPA. So whether you want to build mobile apps or automate complex cloud networks, there is a highly specialized, very lucrative path waiting for you.
So the crucial takeaway is how a computer science engineering degree dramatically compounds in value over time. A fresher generally lands between 4 and 8 LPA. Fast forward to that 5 to 10-year experience mark, and the average jumps dramatically to anywhere from 15 to 40 LPA. But here's the real kicker. If you leverage your skills to land a role at the top product companies, your compensation absolutely skyrockets to anywhere from 20 to 80 plus LPA. It's exponential growth.
Speaking of those top product companies, who is actually handing out these paychecks? It's a fascinating blend of global product makers and massive IT service providers. You've got industry titans like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon driving worldwide innovation. And on the other side, you have the absolute powerhouses of IT services like Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro, and Accenture. These companies are the ultimate career destinations, constantly absorbing fresh CSE talent to build, secure, and manage the digital infrastructure of the entire global economy.
Section 5. The future of CSE. Unstoppable demand.
The future here is remarkably bright, mostly because we aren't just talking about basic software anymore. Demand is surging relentlessly, driven by complex, interconnected technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchain, the Internet of Things, and data science. As these tech pillars continue to integrate into literally every single aspect of human life, the need for the engineers who can actually build and secure them is guaranteed to grow.
So who should actually choose to study computer science engineering? Treat this like a quick mental self-assessment. Do you genuinely love technology and inherently enjoy problem solving? Because that is the perfect foundation. Do you want a high-paying job that offers incredible, long-term career growth? It definitely ticks that box. And finally, do you actively want to build apps or websites, and are you deeply interested in future tech like AI? If you're nodding along, then this path is quite literally made for you.
Which leaves us with one final big question. Do you have the passion for technology and the problem-solving mindset needed to build the future? The tools are out there, the 4-year roadmap is crystal clear, and the industry demand is higher right now than it has ever been. Take a moment to reflect on your own passions and whether you're ready to kick off your own journey into computer science engineering. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and as always, keep exploring.